Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be doing a comparison of BeeFree versus Beautiful.ai. Which design tool wins? It's a showdown. So let's get started. Are you struggling between BeeFree and Beautiful.ai? Well, this 1-minute showdown will reveal which tool is best for emails, slides, and design. It is perfect for marketers, entrepreneurs, and creators. So let's get started. If you need stunning emails or killer slides fast, BeeFree and Beautiful.ai both promise magic, but which one is right for you? Let's settle this in 60 seconds. Now, when it comes to the feature that is best for, BeeFree has a drag and drop email feature, while Beautiful.ai is for AI powered slides. So the winner depends on what you want to use it for. Then when it comes to ease of use, BeeFree is super simple to use. Beautiful.ai has auto designs in seconds. So the winner, I say, it's a tie. When it comes to templates, BeeFree has 1,000+ email designs, while Beautiful.ai has 100+ smart slide systems. So the winner, BeeFree. When it comes to AI power, BeeFree has basic customization, while Beautiful.ai has AI write/resize text. Winner, Beautiful.ai. When it comes to the price, BeeFree is free, plus it also has paid plans, while Beautiful.ai has a $12 per month steeper kind of price. So the winner is definitely BeeFree. So BeeFree equals to king of emails, but Beautiful.ai has AI slides which are mind-blowing. So my advice is to pick BeeFree for newsletters and Beautiful.ai for pitch decks. So team BeeFree or team Beautiful.ai? Comment below and smash like if this saved you hours of research. Subscribe for more 1-minute tool battles. See you in the next video. Bye for now.